Good afternoon. We're going to talk about situations and alternatives to foreclosure if you are behind on your residential or commercial mortgage. If you're behind on your mortgage and you do not feel it's a situation in which you're going to be able to remedy or bring the mortgage current, please give the attorneys at Young Deloach a call so that we can assist you. But while I have you today, I do want to give you just some information about alternatives that you may have available to you. You can always attempt to modify the loan that you have. The banks are not in the business of renting or selling homes generally, so they don't really want your property back. And if there's any way that they can work with you to come up with an arrangement to allow you to stay in the home, generally they will. I do want to caution you that it is a lengthy process. It is a very frustrating process because you have to call constantly, wait online for extended periods of time. But if you are interested in saving your home, I encourage you to initiate modification procedures with your lender. If you aren't able or willing to do it yourself, please give us a call. We'd be more than happy to assist you or to put you with a vendor that we know can assist you with that decision. There's also a process called deed in lieu, where basically you give your house back in lieu of foreclosure. This will avoid some of the negative credit ratings and credit information going on to your personal credit report. However, banks have fallen out of favor with this because they don't really want the property back. They would much rather finish the foreclosure proceedings that way they also, one, they get the property, but they also can get the deficiency judgment against the creditor, the debtor, for the amount of money that may be different for the value of the house versus how much they actually sell the house for. The last thing which you hear a lot about presently is short sales, which is where you are able to work out a deal with your lender where they'll let you sell the house for less than it's worth, get you out of the loan and out of the house, and gets the bank some recompense for the loan that you defaulted on. Be very careful when dealing with the banks or the lenders with this. Make sure that you're going to be able to short sell the house and not be responsible for any sort of deficiency, or at least as minimal deficiency as possible. Currently, there are tax provisions that are allowing people to write off these deficiencies. That changes every year, so be careful if you're doing a short sale after you file your taxes for 2010, because the law for 2011 may change. Just heads up. By all means, if we can help you or give you any guidance or assist you in this process, this difficult process, please feel free to give the attorneys at Young Deloach a call at 407-422-4000. You can visit us on the web at www.youngdeloachlaw.com or follow us on Twitter or Facebook. Thank you for your time.